Alright, we are making our way to our room. Cabin 9170. Oceanview Stateroom. And we are almost there. Alright, this is our stateroom.
No, y'all gonna wait. We gonna record before y'all go in there and share the place.
Go ahead and open up and see. Give me the honor, babe.
Door.
Of opening the key.
Yeah.
Oh, we also have a doorbell. Alright.
No, I just said wait.
Put the key in there.
You don't need a key in there.
For the light.
Just go in the damn door. Shit.
Alright, this is Deluxe Oceanview Family. Let's take a look at the bedding, TV, a little couch, all these extra space, nice round porthole window. Alright, let's take a look at the bathroom real quick. It is a split bathroom, little bathtub. And then, of course, storage, plenty of storage.